Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can play NBA 2K mobile with friends. First of all, you have to go to your NBA profile and log into it, and then you have to tap onto player info icon. Then you have to tap onto it. After tapping onto it, you can see this option right here, find opponent. You have to turn accepting challenges on, then you have to tap onto find opponent. So simply after tapping onto find opponent, here you can see this, tap to enter name. You have to enter your friend's ID name, and then you have to tap onto search or show so that you can see them. So as you can see, I searched for it and there are several IDs in front of me. You have to find out your friend's ID, scroll down and you can find them, and also you can visit their profiles but if you wish to. And as you can see, these players are accepting challenges, here you can see, and then you have to tap on the challenge and then you have to tap onto OK, and there we go, your challenge has been started, and wait until it redirect you to the match. So that's it. This is how you can play NBA 2K mobile with friends. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next videos.